In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable the Windows Firewall on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result, come back with Control Panel here. Go ahead and open that up. At the top right versus View By, click the drop down and select Large Icons. And then scrolling down, select Windows Defender Firewall. Select where it says Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off on the left panel, and then you can just select Turn Off for both of these options here and select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.